Hi everyone. If you've recently set up a self-managed super fund, one of the first things you'll need to do is open a bank account for your SMSF. Today, I'll guide you through the steps and key considerations to ensure you get it right. An SMSF must have a separate bank account to manage the fund's finances. This ensures clear segregation between the fund's assets and your personal or business accounts, as required by law. Think of the SMSF bank account as the hub for all fund transactions. Contributions, investment income, and expenses, everything flows through this account. Here's how you can open a bank account for your SMSF. 1. Choose the right bank. Look for banks offering SMSF-specific accounts. Features like low fees, online access, and integration with accounting software are a bonus. 2. Prepare your documents. You'll need a certified copy of your SMSF trust deed, your ABN and TFN, Australian business number and tax file number, minutes of the meeting where the trustees decided to open the account, trustee identification like driver's licenses or passports. 3. Name the account properly. The account name should clearly reflect the SMSF's name, such as the Smith Family Super Fund ATF as trustee for. Remember, the account must be set up under the name of the fund's trustees, whether individual or corporate, and not in your personal name. Here are some important considerations. Segregation of assets. Never mix personal or business funds with SMSF money. It's a compliance breach. Bank fees and interest rates. Compare accounts to ensure you're getting the best deal for your fund. Account visibility. Ensure all trustees have access to view transactions to maintain transparency. Once your account is set up, use it exclusively for the fund's activities. Contributions go in, investments are made from it, and expenses like administration fees are paid through it. Setting up a bank account is a crucial step in managing your SMSF efficiently. If you have any questions or need help with the process, feel free to reach out. For details, visit our website, trustee.com.au. You can call us on 02-9684-4199 or even email at sales@trustee.com.au.